Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have materials and a portal built. Good. Now record the overworld X and Z coordinates precisely, because accuracy drives correct linking. Divide each coordinate by 8 to get the Nether target. This shrinks distance and keeps portals aligned. Once done, gear up for short Nether travel, armor, food, and blocks. Make the portal entry safe and clear, then step into the Nether. You will arrive near the target zone if the math and placement are correct. Once in the Nether, move to the exact target coordinates you calculated. Make sure you're within a few blocks. The game searches roughly a 16-block radius. Clear space and construct a standard portal frame. Height and frame matter because the engine finds the nearest valid portal. Light it and observe where it links. If multiple candidate portals exist nearby, the game may choose an unintended one. Make sure there's a clear, isolated frame. You now test the connection. Enter the Nether portal and see if you come back to the intended overworld portal. If you return to a different portal, that means the game matched the nearest valid portal. To fix, delete, or move the conflicting Nether portal, or rebuild this portal slightly farther away, then relight. Make sure both ends are at coordinates consistent with the divide by 8 rule. One key troubleshooting tip. Remove nearby Nether frames or increase separation so the game chooses the portal you want.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.